Hello and welcome to this short video in which we will try and answer a very key question that all of you will have in your mind is about how to invest in stock market for the long term. And we're going to do this through a series of question and answers that actually I went through with one of my interns. So courtesy that intern, I have this dialogue presented to you here about how to invest in the stock market for long term. So the conversation started like this. She said, I wish I could know how to invest in stock market for long term to make money. And my response was, sure, you can do that using what is called a fundamental equity analysis. Fundamental equity analysis? I've never heard of that before, she said. Can you please explain? Right. Obviously, I explained. See, fundamental analysis is a method to measure a stock's intrinsic value. And she said, wait, I'm not getting it. And very naturally, what is intrinsic value? She said that. And I said, explained it. I said, all right, imagine you have a special pair of glasses to help you see how valuable things are, right? And you can apply that to some of the shares that you want to buy. Right. So this is exactly what fundamental equity analysis does for investments. It looks at different stuff to figure out undervalued and overvalued stock. I explained that to her. She had more questions and her reactions were very natural, and some of that you may have also. She said, this looks like a complex method. Who uses that? Good speculation, good question. And I said, yes, with practical approach, this process does become very simple. Fundamental analysis is used by a financial analyst or anyone, including you, who want to invest in stock market for long term. More questions continue, and she said, if I started learning it today, will I be able to start investing from day one? She started making dreams to get rich from day one, right? Yes, I had to answer genuinely, and I said that you would be able to understand the method in a few hours, but I would suggest that you do not invest right away, right? And of course, the response came then was question came as when can I start investing to get good results? Naturally, right? Hey, all of you would have the same question. I said after learning the fundamental analysis, you need to make a dummy portfolio for stock recommendations. So you make a dummy portfolio, don't actually make investments, and you can do in any of the trading platforms or even on Excel sheet. And then you keep tracking them through reliable sources. You say, okay, I'm supposing this is the stock I'm planning to buy. Today, this is the price. You buy 1,000 units, and then you track and see after a month, what does it work? What is the worth of that stock? And after doing this, your analysis comes out to be right of the time, then you can actually start investing. That was my honest and sincere advice to her. Her response was pretty encouraging. She said, this sounds interesting. And it came back on to where you're asking, where is there an online course where can start learning from the basic and learn using a real life example? And wow, can you believe that I had precisely that? But I said yes. Plus, remember that this is not a get rich quick scheme. I'm not here to make money by making you suffer, making you lose. So it's not a get rich quick scheme. We believe that rich knowledge has to be present before investing. So learn it to use the practical approach. Enroll for this course by going to the description in this video, looking at the link and seeing for yourself more about this course and see actually does that work for you. So thank you so much for watching this short video on investing in stock market for long term. I hope this has answered some of your questions about how to make money by investing in stock market for long term. Go take a look at this course. As I said, that's there in this description of the video. If you have any questions, do message me anytime, anywhere, and I'll be happy to answer your questions.